Hi everybody, today we've got a recipe that I am so excited to share with you. It's a recipe that we always make extra of, leftovers end up in our fridge, and then they get eaten within the next 24 hours, which doesn't always happen. This is a broccoli salad recipe. Now I don't know if you've ever had traditional broccoli salad, but it's basically taking an unbelievably healthy ingredient, fresh broccoli, and then turning it into almost a dessert, right? So typical broccoli salad has bacon, cheese, mayonnaise, and sugar. So you may get a little bit of health benefit because you still have broccoli in there, but you're going to be adding so much fat and sweet to it that it ends up being a very unhealthy dish. So the hard part is we're going to have to try to make it taste good even without all those extra delicious ingredients, right? And I really think that you'll like the way we've done it here. To make the dressing for the broccoli salad, we're going to use mayonnaise. So I have about a quarter cup to a third of a cup of a mayonnaise. You can use a vegan mayonnaise if you don't want the egg. They have some really good vegan mayonnaise options out there right now. You can also make the mayonnaise at home, which is probably the most delicious option. So I have our mayonnaise and I have a tablespoon of white vinegar. I'm just going to put these together. The vinegar is going to give it a nice little pop, and we're going to just whisk it. Let's cut our broccoli, and we are almost going to shave it into these little kind of long florets. And then if they're too big like that one, we'll just kind of cut it in half. And I'm using a little bit of the stem here too because I think it adds a nice crunch to the flavor. If you don't like the stem, leave it out. So we're just going to add our broccoli to our bowl. Now I'm adding the dressing to the broccoli before I add the other fixings in because the broccoli is kind of the driest ingredient in this recipe. And so I really want the creamy mayonnaise and the vinegar to stick to that broccoli. And then those other things will kind of fall in on top. So we got our creamy dressing, and we're going to stir. Now let's add the rest of our ingredients. So we've got dried cranberries, roasted unsalted pumpkin seeds. We've got some green onions. And then we're going to stir that up. So we got crunchy, creamy, fresh, a little spicy with the green onion, and we're missing something. If you remember, we talked about earlier, traditional broccoli salad has bacon. So how do you get that smoked flavor without the bacon? So one of the ways you can do it is you can buy some smoked salt. So this is Alderwood smoked salt. I don't use it often, but when I do, it really elevates the flavor of a dish, especially if I'm trying to get the flavor of something like bacon or smoke, but I don't want to use the grill and I don't want to use bacon. So we're just going to use a little bit, enough to get that flavor in there. Here's our lightened up broccoli salad, much healthier, but with all the flavor of the unhealthy broccoli salad. I think you'll like it. It's crunchy, it's a little sweet, smoky. Follow us on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. Sign up for our newsletter, www.thecookingdoc.co. Great tips delivered right to your inbox. We'll see you next time.